Yo, what's up? How are we all doing today? I think TradeAway is down on TradingView now. I'm trying to log in and see. I'm pretty sure it's down.
What's up? Here.
Oh, nice. Your camera's back.
Yeah. Actually,
what did you fix?
that you said my battery was fried, and it wasn't a battery.
It was the battery?
Yeah, but it was not. It was not on the permanent one. You know that you put in power.
Oh, is the other one?
Yeah, the normal one.
Nice. That's the thing about that camera. It's the battery died so quick for me as well.
Yeah, but this one was 94%.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yo, orange by orange.
Orange by orange. Is your TradingView down?
My what?
Your TradeAway on TradingView? I think it's down for most people. Yo, ever since I started trading on TradeAway, I just love it.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? You do have to get used to the fact that the candles move so fast, though.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
People out sometimes.
But I think it's a bit better because you're always getting better fills, and especially if you're group trading.
Yeah, true. Okay, he says mine is connected.
Okay, then we're back up. You should be good now.
I didn't even receive any announcement about it from Ninja Trader.
It was something to do with some sort of back-end connection. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a lot of drama going on in the prop space right now. The prop firm world.
I've seen that. What does that mean?
What do we think today? Low key, because it's like options expiry, I would love to short this market even lower. Like just for the fun of it, just to see us all the way down to here, like 24. It makes the most sense too, because this daily gap's still holding. So it was not ridiculous to say we continue lower, because I still want to see 24 150s on NQ.
Yeah.
And this low is just way too clean to say it's going to get left. Like, I think we drop. Let's see what my paper account's on. The paper account's on 250K. We really ran it up. It is 70% bearish. Okay, so if the whole trading space is bearish, then I low-key want to lean bullish.
Bro's a market maker.
You just want to do the opposite.
True.
But with like 250 margin, 50 minis can be applied here.
What?
I have a 250K margin, so I can enter 50 minis on this short.
Do it.
But this is on paper, though.
Do it.
Do it. I don't want to short here.
Imagine it was a brokerage account.
I think you'd get filled. You get filled to like 100 minis now.
You can get filled more.
Oh, really? What's the highest?
That I don't know.
Because I know if you have like a $10 million account, then you just can buy a seat at the floor. So there's no point trading a retail level.
True.
50 minis. This is paper though, so it's not real.
Holy cow.
We had a pretty good week though.
A lot of people said I was chopping a lot, to be fair.
What was chopping?
In the market this week, if you look at the daily.
Oh.
That's
yeah, I think
because
it's
of options expiry.
I think it's ready to like dump today. I would love for it to sell off today.
I mean, technically you have just a lower low and a lower high. If you look at a retail perspective.
I thought someone just put happy birthday in the chat.
Huh?
I was reading the chat and I thought someone just put happy birthday.
Happy Friday, Brad.
What are we trading today? I'm trading the NQ. I'm actually thinking of just... I don't want to trade right now. Well, I'm not going to trade today, but I was thinking of selling here.
Why not trading?
Because yesterday was a pretty good day. And the day before that was a pretty good day. And then the day before that was a pretty good day. So it's Friday. And we can just have a 3-day weekend. But my thoughts on today would be a lovely run to the downside. What the fuck is Tradeovate? You don't know Tradeovate? I forget a lot of people do join the streams from trading forex. There's no way we don't dump to this low.
What is it other indicator that you have in your chart? The red candles.
These are the volume ones.
But you see it as a high volume candle, right?
Yeah, so this one we had like more sellers step in, starting to sell off.
Yeah, but with the other one, for example, there's no wick on the top, so you can just see it.
This?
The one
no,
to
it's
the
going. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this one just immediately dumped red. And then we had bulls step in. So I mainly just use it for the ranges, right? So if we're below the range, we take out the low. And then obviously sellers are going to be within the range. And then if a buyer steps in, should be good to start selling it, buying it for it to start pushing higher. It's not the most accurate on TradingView because it's going off TradingView volume. If you're short today, I would love to be short today. We might just have to sell 50 minis ahead of the open. Right to the lows. By the way, guys, this is a paper account. Not the real funds. Catch you a small scalp. I'm not really trading today on my live accounts. I'm just having a bit of fun on paper.
Bro, I swear there's enough finfluencers out there that wouldn't say that they're on a paper account, but they would just tell, "Oh, I'm in a 15-minute short.
Yeah, 50 minutes
Me.
short on a live account.
I'm in a 50-minute short." Bro,
I don't
already
think even
shorted.
on a live account I would enter like 50 minis.
I would.
Trading with this much volume is just like a different level to the markets, I think.
I mean, you know what the weird thing is? So on most 50K accounts, I risk like 200, right? I'm sure you risk more, but I risk 200. Yeah. Last year, or no, the year before that, so 2024, I actually could get into a position that was 36 micros per account. Now I get into positions that are like 8 or 9 micros, bro.
Oh, and it feels a lot smaller.
Yeah, although it's the same risk.
The thing is, the max I'll go is like, 30 micros. I would do that on a 50K. But that's only if I'm really confident in my bias. Then I'll up the size.
Do you have a set risk for your accounts? Or is it like, okay, this one I'm confident in, so here I risk $400. Here I'm not so confident, so I risk 100.
Yeah, that's literally how I go about it. Like, sometimes, with my model, like, sometimes the market is just going to trade in one direction. So I would just like, I know it's going against me, so I'll just enter like 1 micro just so I can test. I know the market's not going to give it to me, but I'll just test it out with my model type of thing. And I'll just play around with that.
Right.
150K is good, but to getting 150Ks past is just a pain, in my opinion.
What?
Like getting 150Ks past is just a pain. Like 9K profit target. I don't want to do that.
I mean, for funded traders, obviously when you buy an account, first you're gonna take a payout. Because you are an eval. You pass the eval, but then with a 150K account with most firms, you have to reach an insane amount of buffer that wouldn't be realistic in the real life. If you get what I mean.
Yeah, true.
So, as a funded trader, you would love to start on a account that isn't really your money, and then get to a payout as fast as possible. That's why we have the Guardian accounts. That's why you can pass them in one day.
Yeah.
That's why the target for the 50K is not that big as 150K.
Yeah, I agree. I think it should be like that, to be honest. Like, as soon as you give 150Ks with more leverage, it's so much harder to pass.
But there's also like a higher payout cap on it in all futures firms. So that's why some people don't mind waiting and then just do that. Yeah. But in my opinion, on a 150K account, to get comfortable and risk more on a 150K account, obviously the drawdown to payout target ratio is way smaller. So you'll blow your account faster.
Yeah.
That's basically the secret of the big account. So what you have to do in the 150K ones is risk way less. Then it's a pain to get to the payout target. And then you can start risking more, which would be a normal comfortable amount on 150K. But since you get so much less drawdown, it's just, in the beginning, it's always hard.
Yeah, I agree. Do you always test on I'm only trading paper today because I'm bored. But
bored.
There we go. There's that run lower. I'm just gonna trail this TP. We're up
trail TP. That's not how it works, bro.
We're up $50,000.
We're up $50,000. If you didn't take this trade, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Yeah, imagine we just trail this all the way to 0.
How do you maintain long-term motivation? Oh, this is going to be a very controversial opinion for me. How do you maintain long-term motivation in a career where results are uncertain every day? Uncertain.
How do you maintain? That's got to be from ChatGPT. That question.
Answer it. I got a very controversial thing on this.
How do you mean?
I do not have any motivation, dude.
Yeah, I don't have motivation to it. I just take every day as it goes. I don't measure it in long-term success. Mainly short-term. I like to see how I finish a week, how I would do, how I performed for that week, and then I just kind of take it as it goes every single week. That's how I really.
I literally do not have any motivation. At one point of time, or one point of where your results already have been big, it's not like, oh, now I'm going to target 2 million every year and now I'm going to be motivated to reach that. Bro, I got no motivation, dude. It's just I go to my charts every single day and I do what I got to do. That's the only thing. And then long term, if you look back at the past 3 months, you're like, oh, I've been making these results. Oh, that's kind of good, I guess. And then you just keep going.
Yeah. And if you like, obviously you need to have a long-term plan, but the short-term achievements matter the most as well.
I mean, I just every once in a while I just look at what goals I've reached, and then I'm like, I bet this was once a goal of mine, and now I already reached it.
Yeah.
I think at the point of time where you set strict goals for yourself in trading, where you're like, oh, now I want to be at 10K a week, for example, or now I want to be at 10K a day in profits, and you start to really pushing it, and you're at the like 7K mark, so you're about 3K away from reaching your goal of 10K a day.
Yeah.
Then I think when you start pushing it and when you put something external into it, you can say anything about psychology, because in fact you do not really need psychology if you got a system that works. But if you put something external that you want to start pushing it, then it starts to go bust. Then you start risking more, and you're like, oh, but if I risk this amount in my trades and I copy this to all these accounts, then I'll get to 10K a day, and you take a loss, then it starts like going against you, in my opinion.
That's where the worst trading also starts.
Yeah. Because the whole thing, we're traders, right? So we're not sales guys over here. We're not going to our boss every single month and you're like, oh, I made 30 sales this week or this month. We are sales guys that actually someone can take money out of our pocket if we're not performing well. So you got the counter of that as well. We almost hit that 15-minute low.
Yeah, we're up $45,000.
That's crazy.
We are so rich.
Wow.
Yo, go like the stream, guys. Like the stream, get it to 100 likes. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep moving my TP down. Let's see how low we can really go. Holy dump of dreams. Let's get 5K subs today.
We had them.
What are we on? We're on 4.83.
Okay, let's get 5K subs today.
Ooh. We can do that. I'll be past 5 streams you guys have watched. Let's catch bangers. Even this short was a pretty big banger. What was it? Plus 50 points. I mean, if you're in this, I would take profit, but I'm just going to hold and see if NQ drops to 0.
Would you have actually taken this trade?
Yeah, I would have. I would have taken it on like a mini though, not 50 minis.
Why not? Why not 100?
Ah, should we add?
But we can add. We can average in.
We're gonna dollar cost average to the downside. To be honest, today I just want to be bearish though, so I would love for this market to just dump all the way to here. Should we put the TP down here? This has potential to... Yeah.
I mean,
that would be a lot. That would be a lot to ask.
It would.
Especially into today. I traded the M15. What do you think it'll dump? 596. Maybe. We'll have to see what the open does, but my model's now telling me to be bullish. I would have preferred the shorts, however, if it was like this, then we just absolutely tank it. Because we're going to have a bullish RTH gap as well. To trade the PM. I don't really trade after 10 a.m.
There's news at 9:45.
Oh, really? What is it?
I think PMI.
Oh, then that's going to be a big hitter.
It's awkward when PMI is always at 9:45.
Hopefully the news just tanks it. Did you get a haircut?
No, I just grew it out.
You did?
Like you said.
Oh, yeah, you should continue growing it out. I was going to say, why would you do that? You should just continue growing it and see how long it gets.
You know what it is? Sometimes with this hair, if I get out of the shower, I look like a sheep, bro.
Yeah. TP's too wide, bro. I'm literally only trading for fun. I finished my week yesterday. If it gets all the way down to here, then that's great. But my model tells me to be bullish.
How's that?
Huh?
How is that?
What, the model or me?
No, you're trading against your model now.
No, to be fair, like even if I'm bullish, the market has to take out the low to go higher, right? So sometimes I'll just short to target the low to go higher. We'll see. We got 5 minutes until the open.
Already?
Yeah. Are we allowed to trade gold yet? Or silver? Yeah. Yes, we're gonna run COD after the stream. Yo, do any of you guys play COD? There's got to be a lot of you that play COD.
There's gotta. Maybe we're getting cooked by some of them.
We are getting cooked.
Yeah, that's what I said.
There's the big bear we want to get. You play? Me and Finn are the highest ranked in COD.
Of course.
No, not Blackjack. I mean, Call of Duty.
Someone thought we're highest rank in Blackjack.
We could be. Is there a way to like calculate the pips on TradeOvate? Like, you know, in TradingView, you could do this. You can
I
just
know.
see. There's no way to do that. Like to find.
Like the pips receive these?
No, on TradeOvate. So like, say I'm on TradingView. When I'm normally trading on it, I'm like, oh, this is 50 points. I'll TP. But there's no way to do that on TradeOvate, is there?
Not that I know of.
Oh, that's pretty. They need to add that, low key.
I mean,
the 928 candle of doom.
I think there is. No, you can put rectangles and stuff though. You can actually draw on TradeOvate.
Oh, you can do that?
Yeah, you have drawing on the, like when you see the line, you click on that and you have the drawing too.
One thing as well, like when I was trading on TradeOvate, you have to like click the button that says cancel all or like exit all at market. Because if you don't, then some orders stay in and you don't really see them.
I got many reports of people that said like, oh, someone took a trade for me. But then on the back end, you can see that someone left a limit open overnight.
Yeah, that's like one thing most of you need to be careful of. I always check that.
But the thing is, once something like that happens to you, don't blame the prop firm because you left the limits open. And unfortunately, that happens a lot.
If you were to trade against your model today, it could have been an L.
He's already break even.
Like my trades are break even. I mean, it's not even a trade, it's a
paper
trade. I'm not actually up 40k right now, guys. It's paper.
I really respect that you say that.
Imagine we were just up 50k casually right now.
I mean, I've had days like that on my trading copier that I would say 50k, but
yeah, I've had that, but I've never had like just a full account, like one account that's been up like 100k.
There we got the open.
Oh, holy, sink it lower.
I would think we get into some kind of value gap and then just continue dumping.
Yeah. Yes, really didn't open that bearish.
Hey, is the leap still on TradingView?
What's the leap?
It's a competition where you can win real cash by trading with paper.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, if NQ gets all the way to the low, then we might win the competition. But I forgot they still did that.
I think you get like 25k cash.
Oh.
But I've never seen someone that got it, to be fair.
This gap is bullish right now as well, the RTH. So we can easily just poke into it. And then we have some sort of bullish play. I could come
I mean,
from
the only
this.
possibility for me would be to get into the 5-minute inverse.
Here. Or down.
Down in that recent leg.
Oh yeah, down.
And then put my stop loss to break even at the internal high.
Why haven't I been filled out this yet? That's hit.
The trading view is very slow. That's why I would recommend to do trading through Trade-of-8 instead of trading.
That's why I wouldn't recommend trading with 50 minis.
Oh yeah. So now I even
imagine you can't close out of this. Oh, finally. The fill was so aggressive that they couldn't get me out.
That's crazy.
They couldn't fill. There was no one to take my 50 mini shorts.
In paper.
All right, this is the OB. I don't think it's going to come back to it. It's just going to run. It's going to fly.
I think so, yeah.
Like 24,851. Might be too quick, low key.
What do you mean too quick?
To like run to the highs.
Oh, I mean, I cannot get in a position right now. No, internal high has been taking already.
It's just going to launch to here. That 6 a.m. candle also has no top, so it could go even higher. Maybe 2 here. Bro, I bet so many people in my Discord are long. Literally everyone's long. That thing is flying.
Absolutely.
You guys are going to see another reel from me. This is another reel.
Here's how I took this trade.
This is
on
how
a random Friday.
I made $5 bazillion. There's a chance it's going to sweep. Continue bearish. I mean, I'm bullish until it gets 24,863, to be honest, for my model.
Internal swing to be bearish. Might be.
Like a Dow.
Like a Dow, yeah. I don't like it when Dow just tanks and, you know, gets you in an awkward position there.
Dun, dun. No, this candle has to just be bullish.
We're in the middle of the 5-minute gap right now.
Like this next one has to just fly.
I mean, you got the 3-minute. You got the 3-minute closing in 43 seconds. I would at least want it to close above half of that for value gap.
60 points to get higher. I reckon we can do it just before the news finish out the delivery.
Yeah, you mean to the time-based range high?
Yeah, I mean, I think it goes 6 a.m. as well.
A few points now.
Yeah,
probably get 20 points now. This was a position purely based on experience. I got to be honest with you.
Bro, so many people in my community ticket.
Yeah.
All right, there we go. We got the high as well with that exact candle.
Yeah.
Is that your mic? That's not mine. It's gotta be Finn.
What?
You're breathing. They heard you breathe. You guys don't like his breathing? You want him to stop
every
breathing?
10 seconds? Yeah, I got this spat. I don't know. Every, like, since I've came back from the Maldives, I got this tick to fucking do this.
Really?
Like I'm suffocating. I don't know why. Yeah, like I'm not even sick anymore. My nose is not blocked anymore. And I don't know, bro. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's your self-reflexes.
Yeah, now we go up to that other high, to that no wick candle.
Yeah, the 6 a.m.
Yeah. Can we play I never thought that someone would ask that. Can we play geoguessing in the last 10 minutes?
That's gonna be you on a burner account.
Hell yeah, we can. Can we? Yeah, we can. Hell yeah.
Nice. We could live stream COD. Bro, if you guys trade, this is going to be a reel today again. If you trade my ranges, then you're going to catch trades like this. Like this week was absolutely crazy. There's no way you guys didn't. I didn't catch it, but I wasn't trading today.
You wanna have the execution? You wanna see my executions?
Yeah.
This is actually smooth. This is actually the days that I've missed. That it's just like that. Just a few minutes after open, bang, done. You know what the reality is? If I wouldn't be on stream, I would have literally closed my screen right now. Closed my trading view.
TradeAvate. See? I'm recruiting everyone over to TradeAvate.
I was trading on TradeAvate before you.
It is the best platform, though. It is the greatest.
It is a good platform to trade on, but I wouldn't choose to trade on TradingView anymore. No, sorry, I had a brain fart right there.
I honestly, I used to be like a TradingView is the best for trading with TradeAvate, but once I traded on the actual TradeAvate platform, it's a lot better. All they need to do is just add the pip measuring or point measuring, just to see how much. I'm not sure if you can do that just yet. Guys, I still think we're bullish to 24,903. I think there's one more bullish run left.
How do you like to get ASMR?
Well, Finn's breathing ASMR.
No, my typing ASMR.
Oh yeah, that's also music to my ears.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, good sir. No, there's no way of doing a risk measuring tool on TradeAvate, sadly. That would actually be good if they asked that. if they would add that, because I reckon that why TradingView is also so big, not only because it's an analysis platform, but how you get a trading platform to be big is to add a measuring tool so that people can post it on social media. Because going into social media right now and look at the people that took a trade, they always post TradingView with a risk measuring tool without executions. Gideon actually did it. He said, Ralph, you're not audible today.
There's a reason why I'm not letting him inside of my mentorship.
Actually, yeah.
There's a reason for this. Oh, all right. I didn't even know we ran the high. There you go. We got the high. Whoa. Yo, there's literally no other streams on YouTube like this, is there?
Literally, no. Jeez. That is sick. You think Dodgy took a trade today? No.
Ryan, he's in Aspen right now.
Oh, so he's not trading. What about Matt? Is he trading?
He's in Aspen as well. I think they both traded though. No, Matt probably didn't take this. Ryan probably did.
I see no possibility for him to get in.
I'm just scrolling on IG stories and I just see a pic of you.
You see what?
I was just going through IG stories just to see a post and a pic of you just came up.
Damn.
US 500 previous day low. Is the volume accurate on Tradeovate? I'm guessing it would be.
Yeah, I would guess so. They use Tradeovate, the API of CME, so.
Yeah.
Big W. There could only be one word.
Spam W's. No, don't spam it yet. Do not so. We have to break the chat one more time.
It actually hit with the news. The
no?
Oh no, 45 is now.
Yeah.
This is why PMI is not that much. You know what actually would be crazy? If we today break this daily for value gap, then I would actually be bullish for next week.
No, I don't want to be bullish.
I don't want to be bullish either, but it is what it is.
It might just stay
it does
within here too as well.
Have you ever thought, this is a question from me, not from chat. Have you ever thought about opening a brokerage account and then just like put your stop loss to break even in a scalp and then just not have a target so that you can catch long runners just as an account on the side? I've been thinking about it.
What, like copy trading a broker account?
Copy trading a broker account, but remove the TP. And only at like insane swing targets, you take your profits.
Yeah.
Because you remember when NQ dumped 30%?
Yeah. That was April,
I had a
right?
trade at the low, long, and the day after, Trump called out the pause on the tariffs. So obviously we went up like 25% in a few days. I was in a scalp trade, bro. You cannot imagine what you've made on a brokerage account. Then okay, you'll have a lot of break-even trades because there's not that many runners like that, but that will be absolutely generational wealth if you just keep doing that.
And then you can always trail and scale in more as well.
Yeah.
Not bad. You need a good margin broker though. I mean, Amp's pretty good. Ninja's good as well.
What about Sink or Swim or whatever it is?
Swim. That's mainly for options now.
But yeah, you can trade NQ there now. NQ options.
Oh yeah, you can trade Q. The easiest way to trade options, I think, is just buying weeklies, like weekly call options. Like say if you're bullish for the week, you can just buy bullish calls. If the market drops on Monday, buy bullish calls for the end of the week. I think is the... Did I get the buy? No, I was in 50 minutes short from here. I didn't get the buy, but I said we should buy up to here. I finished my trading yesterday.
So are we pulling up GeoGuessr?
Yeah, we can pull it up.
What about we do a movie night?
Movie night watching Shrek.
No, Shrek.
That would work.
Sick maps. All right. All. Wait. We can actually choose United Arab Emirates to do the map there.
Yeah, let's do Dubai. I don't think anyone knows anywhere within there, though.
Should I pull up my screen?
Yeah, does it let you?
It does. Here you go.
Nice.
But that would be only me playing, though, because I think I'm the only one that knows. Although, like, if you get in a location like this, it's still hard.
This is Dubai.
Would you say so?
I think this is Dubai. No, Geo.
Huh?
Bro, underrated Clips hates GeoGuessr. He might be top one hater of GeoGuessr.
No way. I would say this is somewhere in El Barsha, though. Or is this whole United Arab Emirates, not only Dubai?
This is probably the whole UAE.
Oh, then I would be not that good. Do you want to pull up a world?
Yeah, do world.
Right, let me first check
this. Manually. Yeah, winner from GeoGuessr gets a free account. Oh, that was pretty. You get a free account.
I just guessed fucking Sharjah. Burj Khalifa Street. Where would that be? You've been to Dubai a couple of times now.
Twice. That looks like downtown. like the financial.
Yeah, I just saw the Burj Khalifa Street, so it should be close to Burj. Yeah, look at that glorious tower, dude. Would you say we're around here?
Yeah, I guess the Dubai Mall.
Dubai Mall? That's here.
That's right next to it.
Yeah, I think we're too far from that. I would say we're here. Oh, you're actually close. 320.
Oh, I win a free account.
You win an account. All right, let's do world, yeah?
Yeah, let's do the world.
How do we do world?
Can you not leave this one? Oh.
Yeah. How do we do world? Classic maps, but I want to do world, bro. I really should learn how to use this because... Or do you want to do UK?
No, let's not. Let's do the world.
Right. Gideon, do you recognize this?
Yeah, Gideon living in Lagos.
Right. Anywhere where you say we would go, I go. I'm just looking for some hints for you guys. US where? Nah, no way this is Swiss. This looks like an American street right there. No, we didn't pivot to gaming channel. We just hit our target already.
We're officially a gaming channel.
Near Ohio? Chicago, near Ohio. Oh, he was actually close. 166 kilometers. That's pretty impressive for US.
What is going on? There's a GeoGuessr. Usually when we're bored and we hit all of our targets, we just pull this up. But closest guy or girl to the country wins a free account. We need a gaming channel. Bro, I was nasty at Black Ops 2 and Black Ops 3. Like in my heyday, I don't think anyone was better than me on Black Ops 2.
Heyday? At heyday?
Back in my... Oh, you know what heyday is?
I do know what heyday is. That's why I was surprised.
Bro, that game was... And Dragon City.
Dragon City, I don't know.
I spent a lot of money on Dragon City. And Clash of Clans. The thing is, once you make money from trading, and you just don't know what to spend it on. So sometimes I just upgraded my town hall to the max.
But to be fair, trading kind of feels like free money to me. Does anyone know where this is?
Bro, Dragon City was the best game. I used to like pay like $5 for the Good Dragon. This is Mexico.
Is it though? No, they drive on the left side of the street. So that must be Australia. Wait, actually, I'm gonna do a very good guess because I saw a street thing here. Waronga A. Waronga A.
This is Perth. Might have fought you once. Play summertime songs. Bro, I wish I could control the DJ on this platform. We only have 4 songs. This one's called Dance Pop. You might like this. Oh, who guessed Australia?
Wrong.
That was close though.
I was actually so wrong. Yeah, because it looked American and it was like left side of the street, so it cannot be US.
This is the UK.
Did you put a new song?
Yeah, you guys flipping with the song?
Is this UK? Do you have these things outside of the...
Oh no, I don't think it's the UK.
Where would you guys say it is? India? This is India, bro? If this would be... No, we don't have these thingies. So I think it's like France or something, maybe? What would you guys say? Netherlands, not Netherlands. India, guys. Okay, you do know that you can win a free account if you guess it right, right? Left side on the street? Wait, so it's actually India? Or what? You actually want to do India?
Yeah.
I bet some people actually pulled up their ChatGPT. We're in India though. India's huge. Chennai, where's Chennai? South of India, yeah. Oh, here. Let's put outside here. Couldn't be more wrong, bruv. It's Japan.
Dude,
this actually looks like UK to me.
Yeah, this is England. It's like probably Yorkshire or something. What did that say on the sign?
School.
Oh yeah, this is UK.
Oh yeah. I think this is India. Rauf.
Yeah,
I think this is India.
Yeah, go anywhere in Yorkshire.
Where's Yorkshire?
Go in. Zoom in a bit. Yeah, I'm winning a free account today. Maybe.
Where is it?
Go right. Anywhere around there. Up a bit.
Up or?
Up, like up and left.
In between Birmingham and Manchester or what?
Yeah. Go like right. Maybe, yeah. Go up a bit. Yeah.
Where? Sheffield, Manchester, Leeds. Where?
Go like leads.
Someone said leads.
Yeah, go leads.
No way.
Oh, there we go.
That was actually pretty close. That was actually pretty close. So who said leads? Squid Moni.
All right, that's our winner. Oh my god, it's like the market just pumped. Let me check.
This is what I mean. If you keep the runners, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Should do the stream winners as well.
Yeah. You'd have a 7 risk to reward right now, but imagine if it runs higher. If it actually closes above the daily for value gap, you could keep this trade since it was set from here. Bro,
I know.
This is what I meant with my little project. Czech Republic. No, it's not Czech Republic. All right, pull up your screen so that people see how much we pumped.
All right, so if you guys joined the stream at the start, or you're looking for the buys, if you trade my ranges, then obviously you knew what to expect today, this whole week. Got back to the 6 a.m. high. Let's see if we pump. Well, we did pump quite a bit from this 10 a.m.'s candle. So that's pretty much it for this week. Hopefully you guys gain something from it. We'll be back live on Monday and Wednesday and Friday.
Wednesday and Friday, yeah.
But yeah, let's do, the word has to be W today. Let's just break the chat and just spam it. Because there's no way you guys didn't.
All right, only once.
Yeah.
All right, pick a winner.
The winner. Oh, Squid Money was the winner from the giveaway. The other one, so.
Yeah, I sent it to Gideon already.
Yo, I really hold the power right now. I really hold the power for your guys' $30 account. Who should I pick? All right, I got orange by orange. That's the two winners for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Caught some nice trades with us. We'll be back live Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Make sure to like this stream and sub, so we're nearly at 5K. We'll do something big for it. So enjoy your weekend and be safe. We'll be back soon.
Have a great day, guys. Don't give away your profits now. We already got a win. Don't get into shorts right now.